cannot keep myself from rising now. Since the cold wind blows and runs its race to something of joy and for love's grace, and for the season I see grown bitter bough, when birds sing not in hedgerow space, nor do the woods resound with sweetness tender. But I hold my heart so full of joyous surrender that I take it just where she has left its place. And since winter robs us of summer's brow, and cold pursues the gentle season's face, well, may I have rejoicing and solace with a fair song that I've begun to show. For it's worth as much to him who knows its pace, a little joy amid the cold's cold splendor, as a long-loved friendship in spring's tender, when all the worthless folk are full of grace. Shall live those crouched and low, and the false-beaked slanderers in their place, who make themselves of ladies the guard and brace, by whom the children are born bastards, woe. These folk have brought nobility to disgrace with that manner of their courtly pretender. But if one hanged 100 or 1,000 tender, God would have justly avenged the race. Well, I know who are the deceived in show, though I scarcely speak my thoughts full trace. For rightfully cuckolds are they in case, and sufferers who play the most cunning so. For ladies and lovers and husbands face to face, all wish to be lovers and love surrender. If for that they are sinners in their splendor, few there are who from it find healing's pace. Never will I believe God forgets to know a good lover or a fair courtier's grace, unless for some other greater sin's disgrace he has not chosen him as guilty here below. For the evil and the good are all judged in their place, and each one has his own true judgment splendor. Thus at the healing shall the false in surrender be lost on the faithful, found in mercy's space. Consent to sin's embrace, all of us all are guilty in that case. For what God wills is left behind to face, and the surplus fear retains in its own place. If the evil impulse goes not to another space, and the good remains not here to guide our pace,